welcome back to my channel. It's Lily Violin here, and today we're going to be doing another What's the Symbols lesson on this, and we'll also be finding out the difference between them. I'm going to show you them again, and I'm going to see if you can find the difference between them, because they do look quite similar. So here you go. I'm going to give you 5 seconds to revise on these. Go! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you spot a difference? Well, if you spotted that one of them has like a little tail at the top and the other one is just a plain stick, then you were absolutely right. Now I'm going to be telling you why they are different, which one means and the names and everything like that. So this is the first one, and that one is just the stick one, and that one is called a crotchet, which also known as a quarter note, and that's basically just one beat of a note. So just one beat. So like this, 1, and that is called a crotchet, as I already said. And now I'm going to be telling you what this one means, and why is it different. So the one we're talking about now, which is this one, is called a quaver, which is also known as 1/8 note. And it is half of a crotchet, which is 1 beat. So that is half a beat. So it'd be like 1, 1, 1. So it'll be like that. It's quite hard because it has to be really fast. Like boop, boop. And then 2 of these make up 1 of these. Now we're going to do a really quick recap, and then we're going to play a little memory game. So the first one, which is this one, is called a crotchet, and it is worth 1 beat, but it's also known as a quarter note. And then the other one, which is this one, is called a quaver. It's also known as a 1/8 note, and it has half a beat, so it's worth half a beat. Okay, crotchet, quaver, you remember all the info? Are you ready for the game? Okay, so the game is a memory game, and what you have to do is I'm going to hold up one of my little cards here. Well, it's paper. and you have to tell me some questions that I will write across the screen. And you have to at least try and guess one, but there will be a challenge question on each one. And there'll be a different question every time. Actually, there'll be one question on the board, and then there'll be a challenge question. So you have to answer that question, and if you feel like it, you'll be up for a challenge. And also, you'll have 10 seconds to do it, and there'll be 3 different ones. So one of these are going to be 2. 2 times. You'll see them, one of these 2 times, basically. I don't know why I had to say that. Okay, so let's start the game. And then, yeah, I don't know why I said and then. Okay, let's get on to the game. So this is the first one, guys. And I'm going to give you 10 seconds to revise on it. The question will be up here, and then the challenge question will be below. Let's do it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now it's answer time. So the question was, what is its name? And the answer for that was quaver. And then the challenge question was, how many beats is it worth? And it was worth half a beat. Now let's get on to the other one. Okay, here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so the question for this one was, how many beats is it worth? And the answer for that is 1 beat. And then also the challenge question was, what is it also known as? That one's a little bit harder, but that one is also called a quarter beat. A quarter beat. So that was the answers for that one, and now we're going to get around to the last, very, very last one. Okay, here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you guys, the answer to the question was the question was, what is its name? And it is called a crotchet. But the challenge question was very hard. I'll be very impressed if you got it. What is the difference? Well, why is it different to a quaver? So for that question, you could have asked me, answered, it's got a tail on it, or the beat difference, so that would be half. And if you got any of them, or if you got any other ones that you think might be right, then that was amazing. Now we're going to do a result time. A result time. A result time. A result time. Sorry guys, I just like a result time. A result time. Okay, so if you got 1 out of 3, that was amazing, because those questions were really, 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 really hard. And I just want you to keep on practicing, and I'll know you will get there. Just keep on practicing. You'll do great. If you got 2 out of 3, that was fantastic. And just keep on practicing, and know you'll get there. And that was amazing as well. So if you got 3 out of 3, wow, you must have really been paying attention, and you are an official violin superstar, honestly. Wow. I don't even know what to say. Wow. If you got that first time, that was amazing. And you can always feel free to come back to this video and do the quiz again when you feel more confident, or if you just want to have fun. Okay. And that was this week's video, and I hope you really, really enjoyed it. And most importantly, I hope it was very helpful as well. I like to make it fun for you guys, because I know it's hard being at home. Well, you might enjoy it, but it is hard as well, because there's big changes. But keeping playing music. Sorry guys, I feel really trippy up today. It must be because I'm hot. It's hot outside. Yeah, so if you want to come round to my, I was about to say want to come round to my house. I mean, if you want to check out my channel, and there might be some things on there that might be really, really helpful for you. And also, if you've got any questions, just feel free to comment down below if you can. The comments are always turned on, so feel free. If you've got any questions, I'll answer them for you. And I also upload daily at 6 PM, but also don't forget to put some video suggestions in, because I'll just feel more than free to do it, because I love to help people out, and that's why I'm doing this channel for you guys. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. But please don't forget to go and check out my Instagram at lily.violin and Facebook at Lily Violin Official, and go and follow me on there, please, if you can. And yeah, so see you next time. Bye. Guys, and welcome back to my chat. Oh. Hey guys, and welcome back.